Hello kids, good morning. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and in good health. Now tell me, have you all completed the classwork notes in all the subjects? If yes, then good. Okay, now let's move on to our science class. So we'll start the new lesson today, that is lesson 1, growing plants. In this lesson, you will learn how plants grow from seeds and from other plant parts. You will also learn structure of seed, germination process, dispersal of seed, steps in agriculture and types of crops. Okay, now let's get back to today's class. In today's class, we'll discuss how plants increase in number in earth, what are the different plant parts from which we can grow new plants, what is a seed, where does the seed form in a plant, function of a seed, structure of a seed, and monocots and dicots. Okay, are you all ready, kids? Yes, children, we can see variety of plants around us, right? There are trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. Okay? Kids, can you say how so many plants grow on our planet Earth? How do they increase their number? Well, this is a seed and it can grow into a baby plant. See, all these baby plants have grown from the seed. Yes, and they increase their number. Okay? New plants not only grow from seeds but also from other plant parts. Now we'll see what are those plant parts. Yes, new plants also grow from seeds and stems, also from root and leaf. Okay? Children, you know what is a seed and how it is useful to us. Yes, we eat many seeds as food. Not only that, a seed is also a part of a plant that can grow into a baby plant. Okay? Yes. Now tell where the seed form in a plant. Well, usually the flowers become fruits and so seeds are formed inside a fruit. In the above picture, you can see a pomegranate flower has become its fruit. Okay. Now, an interesting question for you. Let us see how many of you get correct answer for this question. Shall we move to our question? Yes. Can you name 2 fruits where the seeds are found outside the fruit? Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is cashew fruit. How many of you got your answers correct? Well done, well done. See the seed that is outside the fruit. Yes. And the next answer is yes, you're all right. It is strawberry seed. You can see the seeds outside the fruit. Good, good. Clap your hands for yourself, kids. Well, children, next we will learn the structure of a seed. This is the picture of a seed. There are 3 main parts: seed coat, embryo and food storage or cotyledons. Now we will learn about them one by one. Okay? Now see this picture of almond. You can see its seed coat. The seed coat is covering the almond seed. Okay? So what is a seed coat, children? A seed coat is the protective outer covering of the seed. Children, when you eat peanuts, you remove its skin, isn't it? Yes, that is actually its seed coat. The seed coat protects the seed against damage by insects, pests, and infections, etc. Well, it also protects the embryo. So now, can you tell me what are the functions of seed coat? Yes, seed coat is a protective outer covering in a seed. It safeguards the seed against damage by insects, pests, and infections, etc. It also protects the embryo. Okay, children, can you see a small white dot in the seed? Yeah, it's called micropyle. What is micropyle? It is nothing but a tiny hole in the seed coat through which the seed gets water. Right. Next, can you identify the seed that you eat often? Yeah, it's peanut. Now, can you identify the seed coat? Yes, you are correct. This is the seed coat. When you open the seed, you get two halves. They are nothing but cotyledons. Cotyledons are also known as seed leaves. Okay, now there are two more parts to be identified. The first one is baby shoot. It develops into the shoot system of the plant. The next one is baby root. It develops into the root system of the plant. Yes, the baby shoot and baby root together is known as embryo. Okay, now I will tell what an embryo is. It is the baby plant and it has baby root and baby shoot. Next we will learn about cotyledons. Cotyledons is also called as seed leaves. They store food for the baby plant. See, when a baby plant grows out, it cannot prepare its food. During this time, the tiny plant gets its food from the cotyledons. Okay? Then the new leaves slowly grow and it starts to make food by the process called photosynthesis. Then the cotyledon fall off. Children, in this picture you can see two types of seeds, right? Can you say what is the difference between these two seeds? Yes, their difference is in their cotyledons. So, what is a cotyledon? A cotyledon is the part of a seed that will grow into the leaves. The yellow seed has one cotyledon. So, it is called monocot seed. The word mono means one. Monocots get their names from having one cotyledon. The green seed has one and two cotyledons. So it is called a dicot seed. The word di means two. Dicots get their names from having two cotyledons instead of one. Okay? Children, see the picture of baby plants of monocot and dicot seed. The monocot plant has one seed leaf or one cotyledon, and dicot plant has two seed leaves or two cotyledons. Okay? Kids, these are some grains like rice, wheat, corn, ragi, maize and other millets. They are all monocots. Yes, all grains are monocots. It has only one cotyledon or seed leaf. Okay? Kids, see this picture. These are dicot seeds. Yes, all the pulses like red gram, soya bean, green gram, urad dal are all dicots. Yes, you are right. All pulses are dicots. It has two cotyledons or seed leaves. Okay? Now let's have a quick recap of today's topics. Today you learnt about the structure of seed. A seed has seed coat, micropyle, cotyledons, baby shoot and baby root. The seed coat is the outer protective covering of the seed. Micropyle is a tiny hole in the seed coat through which the seed gets water. Cotyledons are also called as seed leaves and they store food for the plant. The baby shoot grows into the shoot system of the plant. The baby root grows into the root system of the plant. The baby shoot and baby root together is known as embryo. Yes, you also learnt about the types of seeds based on the number of cotyledons they have. Yes, if there is only one cotyledon, it is called monocots. Some examples of monocots are rice, wheat, grain, maize and other millets. If a seed has two cotyledons, it is called dicots. The examples of dicots are green gram, Bengal gram, horse gram, green peas and all other pulses. Okay? Okay kids, watch this video again to go through the topics. Thank you.